Hello, dear students. I am Professor Nitin Kaulia from Department of Management, Saga Institute of Research and Technology Excellence, Bhopal. The topic that we are going to discuss in this video lecture is conflict. This topic is for the BTech 6th semester students of CSBS branch from the subject Business Communication and Value Science. First, we discuss the meaning of conflict in corporate. The conflict in a corporate environment refers to disagreements or clashes between employees or teams due to differences in ideas, goals, or values. It is a natural part of organizational life and can be constructive if managed properly. Coming to the types of corporate conflict can arise in different forms depending on the situation. Task conflict relates to work issues, relationship conflict involves personal differences, and process conflict focuses on how work is carried out. So basically, in the corporate culture, there are three types of conflicts that crop up: the task conflict, relationship conflict, and the process conflict. Now, coming to discuss the common causes of conflict. Conflicts often occur due to misunderstandings, unclear roles, or competition for resources. Differences in attitudes, work styles, and organizational changes can also trigger disputes. Poor communication, role ambiguity, resource competition, value differences, and organizational change can also be the reason of conflict. Importance of managing conflict. Managing conflict effectively is important for maintaining a healthy work environment. It improves teamwork, enhances productivity, and prevents negative emotions from affecting the performance. Better teamwork, improved decisions, and higher productivity and positive environment are the outcomes of managing the conflict. Now we discuss the role of business communication in conflict resolution. Business communication plays a key role in resolving conflicts by promoting clarity and mutual understanding. It helps employees express their concerns politely and work towards solutions. This clarifies misunderstanding, builds trust, encourages dialogue, and support solutions. Now we discuss some of the conflict resolution techniques. There are various methods to resolve conflict depending on the situation. These include avoiding, accommodating, competing, compromising, and collaborating, with collaboration being the most effective approach. Avoiding, competing, accommodating, compromising, and collaborating. Collaborating comes out to be the best technique for resolution of the conflicts. Conflict resolution in a corporate setting is the process of addressing disagreements in a constructive and professional manner to reach a mutually acceptable solution. It focuses on open communication, understanding different perspectives, and finding outcomes that benefit both individuals and the organization. Effective conflict resolution not only solves the immediate issues but also strengthens relationships, improves teamwork, and prevents future misunderstandings. It requires patience, emotional control, and a willingness to collaborate rather than compete. Conflict resolution encourages open and honest communication, focuses on issues, not personal differences, aims for win-win solutions, builds trust, and strengthens professional relationships, reduces workplace stress and tension, improves team coordination and productivity, requires active listening and empathy, helps prevent future conflicts. The techniques that we discussed for the conflict resolution depends upon situations. Different situations require different approaches to resolve conflict effectively. First is avoiding, ignoring minor conflicts to prevent escalation. Second is accommodating, one party sacrifices to maintain harmony. Competing, one party enforces their solution. This is used in urgent cases. Compromising, both parties gives up something to reach a middle ground. Collaborating, both parties work together for a win-win solution. Collaborating is the most effective technique among all. That is all in the lecture. Thank you for watching.